Welcome back to AllbyOly Design, where I share free alteration tutorial and much more. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this sequence. So for example, when I was altering the dress, I saw a spot with no sequence. The extra sequence I took from inside and I wanted to fix this spot so that way it's not really visible. Then I will take the needle and thread only in one layer, and then I will start sew the sequence in almost like every teeny tiny spot, so to kind of like imitate just how the fabric is made with sequins. This technique is very easy. It's very similar to the running stitch. It's just I'm gonna sew every other spot, and then between two sequins I'm gonna add another sequence. When sewing sequins, make sure you don't pull too much the thread because you don't want the fabric to be shrinked. So that's why we sewing on the smooth and very easy way. And also after we finish to sew all the sequins, then we can just make a simple knot, and our fabric is just how the fabric was made. So after we do the knot, our fabric looks just like original. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thank you so much and subscribe for more.